An iPhone for $599 that still gives you a 48MP camera, 18 chip, and a Super Retina OLED display? Sounds like a great deal, right? But what's missing compared to the Pro models, and is the iPhone 16e actually worth it? Let's find out. The iPhone 16e is Apple's latest budget-friendly option, but don't let the price fool you, it still packs serious power. However, there are some compromises you should know about before making a decision. At first glance, the iPhone 16e looks like an iPhone 15, but there are some changes. It has a glass front and back with an aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel. It's IP68 rated, so you don't have to worry about water or dust damage. It's also lightweight at just 167 grams, making it one of the more comfortable iPhones to hold. But there's no promotion or always-on display that's reserved for the Pro models. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED still delivers great colors and sharpness, with HDR10 support and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. That means outdoor visibility is solid, but there's no 120Hz refresh rate. You're stuck with 60Hz. If you've used a promotion display before, you'll notice the difference. If not, it won't bother you much. Now let's talk about performance. Apple A18 chip in a budget iPhone. Apple didn't cut corners with the A18 chip. This is the same powerful processor found in the standard iPhone 16. It's efficient, fast, and can handle anything, from multitasking to gaming. Paired with 8GB RAM, everything feels smooth and responsive. But no dynamic island, just the classic notch. The iPhone 16e comes with 3 storage options: 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM, 512GB with 8GB RAM. Just like previous iPhones, there's no microSD card slot, so choose your storage wisely from the start. The NVMe storage ensures super fast read/write speeds, making gaming and multitasking smoother than ever. Cameras, single lens, but is it enough? The 48MP main camera with OIS, optical image stabilization, is impressive for a budget iPhone. In good lighting, it captures sharp, detailed shots, and even low-light performance is solid thanks to Apple's advanced image processing. However, there's no ultra-wide or telephoto lens, so you'll miss out on versatile photography options. For videos, it records 4K at 60 frames per second, with stereo sound recording and 3D spatial audio. That's a big win at this price point. The 12MP selfie camera also supports 4K video and Face ID but has no autofocus, a slight downgrade. Extras: what's missing? No always-on display, no promotion, 120Hz refresh rate, no ultra-wide or telephoto camera, no MagSafe support, but you do get USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, Face ID, stereo speakers, and satellite emergency SOS.SO. Is the iPhone 16e worth $599? If you want flagship performance, a great display, and solid battery life, this is a fantastic deal. But if you need more camera options, a 120Hz display, or MagSafe, you might want to look at the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro instead. Would you buy the iPhone 16e? Or do you think Apple cut too many features? Let me know in the comments.